Greetings, global learners! As we continue our language learning journey, let's dive into the art of saying hello, how are you in different corners of the world. It's amazing how a simple greeting can connect us across cultures. So, let's explore. In Japan, the phrase hello, how are you is expressed as konnichiwa, o genki desu ka? This warm greeting is often accompanied by a slight bow, showing respect and politeness. Moving to Germany, we switch gears. Here, you would say, Hallo, wie geht es dir? To greet someone with a friendly, Hello, how are you? German includes du for informal situations and Sie for formal settings, showing their politeness. Now let's head to Portugal or Brazil, where the phrase hello, how are you is rendered as Olá, como está? It's a warm and inviting greeting reflecting the vibrant culture and hospitality of these countries. In Brazil, you might also hear Oi, tudo bem? For a more casual vibe. Remember, these greetings are more than just words. They are bridges connecting you to the heart of each culture. Greetings, language adventurers! In today's episode of Learning English with Garriet, we are diving into two crucial aspects of English: word order and verb tenses. These are the building blocks that will elevate your language skills and make your conversations shine. English word order, building a solid foundation. Let's start with word order. Think of it like arranging puzzle pieces to create a clear picture. In English, we follow a structured pattern: subject, verb, object. It's like constructing a mini story in every sentence. For example, she plays the piano. She, subject. Plays, verb. The piano, object. They are watching a movie. They, subject. Are watching, verb. A movie, object. He reads books. He, subject. Reads, verb. Books, object. Got it? This order ensures that your message flows smoothly, making it easier for others to understand you. And remember, for questions, we often switch the subject and verb around, like these. She plays the piano. Becomes, does she play the piano? Does, verb. She, subject. Play, object. The piano, object. Is a subtle change that transforms a statement into a question. And if adverbs join the party, they usually come after the verb but before the object. She plays the piano beautifully. She, subject. Plays, verb. The piano, object. Beautifully, adverb. She plays the piano beautifully. They are really enjoying the party. They, subject. Are, verb. Really, adverb. Enjoying, verb. The party, object. Navigating verb tenses, the time travel of language. Now, let's journey into the world of verb tenses. They help us express when actions happen. We'll cover three fundamental tenses: present, past, and future. Present simple, used for habits and facts. I work in an office. I, subject. Work, verb. In an office, object. Present simple. I work in an office. Past simple, used for completed actions in the past. She visited Paris last year. She, subject. Visited, verb. Paris, object. She visited Paris last year. Future simple, used for actions in the future. They will travel to Spain next month. They, subject. Will travel, verb. To Spain, object. They will travel to Spain next month. But wait, there is more. We have continuous tenses for ongoing actions. Present continuous expresses actions happening now. He is studying English at the moment. He, subject, is studying, verb. English, object. He is studying English at the moment. Past continuous describes actions in progress in the past. While they were watching a movie, it started raining. While they, subject, were watching, verb, a movie, object. While they were watching a movie, it started raining. Future continuous conveys actions that will be happening at a future point. Tomorrow, she will be working on a new project. She, subject, will be working, verb, on a new project, object. Tomorrow, she will be working on a new project. See, tenses let you time travel in language. By using the right tense, you tell listeners when actions occurred or will occur. And there you have it, language explorers. Word order and verb tenses are your trusted tools for crafting effective and expressive sentences. Keep practicing, experiment with these concepts, and watch your English skills blossom.